The Sigma male. He walks his own path, answers to himself. He doesn't play by society's rules. This independence defines him. It also shapes his relationships. Forget the alpha's dominance or the beta's compliance. The Sigma male carves his own way. This makes him intriguing, even a little mysterious, but it also presents unique challenges. How does a lone wolf navigate the world of relationships? It's not about shying away from connection. It's about engaging on his own terms. He seeks authenticity over approval. He values depth over superficiality. This shapes how he approaches every bond, from romantic partnerships to business deals. Understanding the Sigma male means understanding this. His independence is not isolation. It's a commitment to living a life true to himself, and that includes the relationships he chooses to build. Intimacy. For some, it conjures images of candlelit dinners and whispered sweet nothings. The traditional markers of romance are often what people think of first. For the Sigma male, it's a bit more complex. He navigates the waters of intimacy with a different compass, one that values depth over display. It's not that he's incapable of romance, far from it. His gestures might be subtle, but they're deeply meaningful. It's that he craves it without the constraints of convention. He seeks a connection that transcends the ordinary, one that is uniquely his own. He won't be boxed in by societal expectations. The Sigma male resists the pressure to conform, choosing instead to follow his own path. Grand gestures and public displays of affection might not be his style. Instead, he finds beauty in the quiet moments, the unspoken words, and the shared silences. Instead, he shows love through quiet understanding, unwavering support, and a fierce loyalty that runs deep. His love is a steady flame, not a fleeting spark. He needs space, not because he doesn't care, but because solitude recharges him. In the stillness, he finds clarity and strength. Attempting to clip his wings will only push him away. His independence is not a sign of detachment, but a core part of who he is. The key is understanding. Appreciate his need for independence. Recognize that his desire for space is not a rejection, but a necessity for his well-being. The right partner will embrace this. She will understand that his need for solitude is balanced by his deep commitment when he is present. She'll be a free spirit herself, comfortable with her own autonomy. Her independence will complement his, creating a dynamic where both can thrive. Together, they'll forge a bond built on mutual respect, shared passions, and the freedom to be themselves. Their relationship will be a sanctuary where individuality is celebrated and love is expressed in its purest form. They will explore new places and ideas together, each adventure strengthening their connection. Their journey will be one of growth and discovery, both as individuals and as a couple. In the end, it's the simple pleasures that will define their love. A quiet moment shared, a knowing glance, the comfort of being truly understood. This is the essence of intimacy for the Sigma male. And in this unique dance of independence and connection, the Sigma male will find a love that is both profound and fulfilling. A love that respects his need for freedom while cherishing the bond they share. The Sigma male isn't one to collect friends like trophies. He doesn't seek validation through the number of people he knows or the size of his social circle. He's not interested in superficial connections or forced small talk. Instead, he craves depth and authenticity in his interactions. He values quality over quantity, seeking out individuals who resonate with his soul. These are the people who understand his complexities and appreciate his unique perspective on life. His circle is small, but it's rock solid. Each person in his life holds a significant place, contributing to a network of support and understanding. These are the friends he can go months without seeing and pick up right where they left off. Time and distance do not weaken these bonds. They only strengthen them. They share his values, challenge his perspectives, and accept him for who he is, quirks and all. This mutual acceptance creates a safe space for genuine connection. He builds these bonds through shared experiences, intellectual discussions, and a mutual respect for each other's individuality. Whether it's a deep conversation or an adventurous outing, these moments are the building blocks of their relationship. He's not afraid to be vulnerable, to let his guard down and reveal his true self. This openness invites others to do the same, fostering a deeper level of trust and intimacy. This selective engagement is a testament to his authenticity. He doesn't waste time on relationships that don't add value to his life. He invests deeply in the relationships that matter, fostering connections that are built to last. These are not fleeting friendships, but enduring bonds that withstand the test of time. He understands that true friendship is a rare and precious thing, and he doesn't take it for granted. Every moment spent with these friends is cherished, every conversation valued. The Sigma male knows that meaningful connections are not just about shared interests, but shared values and mutual respect. These friendships are a sanctuary, a place where he can be his true self without fear of judgment. In times of hardship, these friends are his rock. They provide unwavering support, offering a listening ear and a shoulder to lean on. This reciprocal support system is the foundation of their enduring friendship. They celebrate each other's successes and stand by each other in times of failure. This mutual encouragement and support create a bond that is both deep and resilient. These moments of quiet reflection, shared in the company of trusted friends, are where the Sigma male finds solace and strength. It's in these moments that he feels truly understood and appreciated. As they continue to make new memories together, these friendships evolve and grow, becoming an integral part of his life. Each new experience adds another layer to their bond, making it even stronger. Even when they part ways, there's always a promise to meet again soon. This assurance of continuity is what makes these connections so meaningful and enduring. Looking back at old photos and reminiscing about shared experiences, the Sigma male realizes that these friendships are not just a part of his past, but a vital part of his present and future. They plan their next adventure together, always looking forward to the next opportunity to connect and create new memories. This forward-looking approach keeps their friendship dynamic and exciting. Sometimes it's the simple moments of silence, just enjoying each other's presence, that speak the loudest. These are the moments that define the depth and authenticity of their connection. Walking together, deep in conversation, they explore not just the world around them, but also the depths of each other's minds and hearts. This intellectual and emotional exploration is what makes their friendship so enriching. Sharing a meal, laughing together, they create a tapestry of memories that are woven with threads of love, respect, and mutual understanding. These are the moments that make life truly meaningful. As they sit around the campfire, reflecting on their journey together, the Sigma male knows that these friendships are the true treasures of his life. They are the anchors that keep him grounded and the wings that help him soar. In the warm embrace of his friends, he finds a sense of belonging and a deep, abiding joy. These are the connections that make his life rich and fulfilling, the relationships that he will cherish forever. The corporate world, with its rigid hierarchies and power plays, can feel stifling. Yet, the Sigma male navigates it with quiet confidence. He doesn't play the game, he changes it. He's not driven by status or the need for external validation. His motivation comes from within, a desire to excel, to innovate, to leave his mark on the world. This unwavering self-belief is his secret weapon. He doesn't need to shout to be heard. His work speaks for itself. He leads by example, inspiring through his dedication, creativity, and unwavering integrity. He builds genuine connections with colleagues, valuing collaboration and mutual respect. His unconventional approach might ruffle some feathers, but his results are undeniable. He understands that true success isn't about climbing the corporate ladder. It's about building something meaningful, something that reflects his own unique vision. The Sigma male's independence, while a source of strength, can also be a double-edged sword. It can lead to misunderstandings, making him appear distant or emotionally unavailable. His need for space might be misinterpreted as disinterest. His reluctance to conform to societal norms might be seen as aloofness. This can create a chasm in his relationships, leaving loved ones feeling confused or neglected. He might struggle to articulate his feelings, retreating further into himself when faced with emotional vulnerability. He might prioritize his own pursuits, unintentionally neglecting the needs of those closest to him. The key to overcoming these challenges lies in communication. He needs to learn to express his emotions more openly, to bridge the gap between his inner world and the people he cares about. Bridging the gap requires effort. It demands that the Sigma male step outside his comfort zone and embrace vulnerability. This is not an easy task, as it involves confronting fears and insecurities that have been deeply ingrained over time. However, the rewards of doing so are immense, leading to more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Here are some concrete steps to cultivate stronger relationships. These steps are designed to help Sigma males navigate social interactions more effectively and build deeper connections with those around them. 1. Communicate clearly. Don't expect others to read your mind. Clear communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. It involves not only speaking your mind, but also listening actively to others. This means paying attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues and responding thoughtfully. Verbalize your feelings, needs, and intentions. This might feel uncomfortable at first, especially if you're not used to being open about your emotions. But over time, it will become more natural and will help others understand you better. Even if it feels awkward, it's better than being misunderstood. Misunderstandings can lead to conflicts and resentment, which can damage relationships. By being clear and honest, you can avoid these pitfalls and build stronger, more trusting connections. 2. Make time for connection. Schedule dedicated time for loved ones just as you would for your own pursuits. This shows that you value and prioritize your relationships. It also provides opportunities to bond and create shared experiences, which are essential for building strong connections. Be present in those moments, putting aside distractions and engaging fully. This means putting away your phone, turning off the TV, and really focusing on the people you're with. Quality time is about more than just being physically present, it's about being emotionally and mentally present as well. 3. Practice empathy. Step into the shoes of others. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It's about seeing the world from their perspective and recognizing their emotions. Try to understand their perspectives, even if you don't agree with them. This doesn't mean you have to change your own views, but it does mean acknowledging and respecting the feelings and experiences of others. This can help to build trust and mutual respect in your relationships. A little empathy goes a long way in building bridges. It can help to resolve conflicts, improve communication, and strengthen your connections with others. 4. Seek professional guidance. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to seek help from a therapist or counselor. Professional guidance can provide you with the tools and strategies you need to improve your communication skills and navigate relationship challenges. They can provide tools and strategies for improving communication and navigating relationship challenges. Therapy can also help you to understand yourself better, which is an important step in building stronger relationships with others. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It's a proactive step towards personal growth and improved relationships. The world needs more Sigma males. In a society obsessed with conformity and validation, their independent spirit is a breath of fresh air. They teach us that it's okay to be different, to forge our own paths and to find success on our own terms. Their journey is not without its challenges, but by embracing their authenticity, communicating openly, and making a conscious effort to nurture their relationships, they can unlock a level of connection that is both profound and deeply rewarding. The Sigma male's story is a testament to the power of individuality. It's a reminder that true strength comes from within, from staying true to oneself, even in the face of societal pressure. And it's a call to action for all of us to embrace our own uniqueness and build relationships that celebrate who we truly are.